is the Euro USD. In fact, I missed out on this bullish move on the Euro USD yesterday. I hope we took advantage of this move. Where are we as at yesterday? So we were around this point yesterday when we started. We joined this bearish momentum right below the $1 area. Remember, we took advantage of this bearish momentum as price climbed down, plunged down into the 0.99500 level, and our expectation, I told you definitely that we should have moved our stop loss accordingly. I actually advised us to move our stop loss to somewhere around the 0.99840 level, and I hope you did so to protect your position. And we said we will be looking out for buying pressure around this area to join that rally to the upside, but that did not happen. As we saw, hold on a second. So as we saw an engulfing candle that took price right out of that structure, and it was as a result of the CPI that came out yesterday on the economic calendar. It was not a good news for the dollar, and we saw how the euro rose significantly well against the dollar to push price right above the 1.0100 level, which was holding selling pressure at the beginning of the week. So at this point in time, we have that situation going right now as bullish momentum has taken over the market at this point. So for those who took advantage of this move right here to the upsides, in fact, congratulations to you guys for taking advantage of that move. I missed it, and I kept on monitoring the price action to see if the market is going to be giving us another chance to hard position or probably into, hold on a second, let me show you. So this bullish trend line took price right into the 1.02100 level, and as soon as price tested the 1.02100 level, what did we see here? We started seeing selling pressure and what structure around the 1.02 to give me a signal. So the first thing the mind will go towards is that, okay, fine, since we've been having selling pressure here, we might likely see a breakdown of this trend line, retest of structure to send price back to do a correction of that impulsive move that started last week to anticipate a trend continue. We took advantage of this move, and if you are part of me that took advantage of this move right here, well done. And if you have two positions running, well done more. So what I'll be advising us to do right now is to move our stop loss accordingly to protect our position against any sudden pullback that might likely happen. And you know that from a technical standpoint, whenever we have an impulsive move like this, at one point in time, price is likely going to come back, do a retracement of that impulsive move, which will be a reflection of profit taken in the move, which is around the 50 and the 78.6% of the previous impulse leg before another move happened. So that is why I'll be suggesting us to move our stop loss accordingly. For me personally, since I joined around this area, I'll just move my stop loss to break even somewhere right above the 1.02100 is good for me to lock in my profit there, and let's see if price might go through a retracement phase or we might be having a trend continuation to the upside. So these are the scenarios I'm looking forward to. Now, for those who are not part of this trade, let's see if we are going to be, possible. One is this: I want to see price come back into the bullish trend line or the 1.02100 level to do a retest of structure. You know, when we have a breakout of a structure like this, we expect that at a point in time, price might likely come back to do a retest of that structure. So if that happens, then we want to be getting ready to join that rally. But we are not going to be joining unless we start seeing buying pressure around this area on our lower time frame. Then we could join at a breakout retest. We are going to be looking forward to for buying opportunity. Now, the second scenario is this. Let me bring out my line chart so that I can figure this out. So we have a structure here which we've been witnessing some rejection of that level in the last 1 hour. So we have it right around this 1.02750. So let's label that area 2750. Okay, so we have that going. So we have a structure around here. Let's bring out our candle chart. So we can see in the last 2-3 hours now, we have been witnessing this selling pressure around that area. So if at any point in time we see a breakout of the structure, then that's another bullish signal that we want to be joining a trend continuation. So we don't get too excited when we sight a breakout. Remember, we want to wait for price action to give us further confirmation in the form of a retest of that level. Then we look out for buying pressure on lower time frame. Then we could join the rally to the upside. So that leg here, so come into my golden zone area, which is likely going to be around the 1.0100 level, which also shares a confluence with the breakout of the structure yesterday to join the trend continuation to the upside. So this is what I will be looking forward to on the Euro USD. If you have any questions regarding what I've just discussed here, feel free to drop in your inquiries in the comment section of this video. All right.